Welcome to DAV Model Public School e-learning classes, Standard 10, Subject Science, Chapter Chemical Reactions and Equations. In our day-to-day life, we observe various kind of changes, like when an iron is left exposed to humid atmosphere, it get rusted. Grapes get fermented, food is cooked, food get digested in our body, we all breathe. In all these, we observe that the nature of initial substance have somewhat changed. That means there are some chemical changes taken place or some chemical changes are occurring. We can say that a chemical reaction has taken place. So, what is a chemical reaction? A chemical reaction is a process where reactant get converted into a product which may be under the influence of catalyst. For an example, if we burn a magnesium ribbon in air, it will burn with a dazzling white flame and changes into a white powder. This powder is magnesium oxide. So here magnesium react with oxygen present in the air and form a new substance, that is magnesium oxide. So a chemical reaction has taken place, a chemical change occurred, a new substance is formed. How we can identify or recognize a chemical reaction? Whenever a chemical reaction takes place, certain chemical changes occurs. Now we can identify chemical reactions by observing or determining following changes: whether there is change in state, whether there is change in color, change in temperature, or evolution of gases. If any such changes like change in state, color, temperature, or evolution of certain gases take place, it means there is chemical change or chemical reaction. Now we will see or learn different types of chemical reaction. We are going to learn different reactions like combination reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, redox reactions. During chemical reaction or chemical change, atom of one element do not change into another element. Neither atom disappears from the mixture or appear from elsewhere. Actually, chemical reaction involves the breaking and making of bond between atoms to produce new substances. Combination reaction. When two reactants combine to form a product, it is called as combination reaction. Calcium oxide react vigorously with water to produce slake lime, that is calcium hydroxide, with release of large amount of heat. In this reaction, calcium oxide and water combines to form a single product, calcium hydroxide. Such a reaction in which a single product is formed from two or more reactants is known as combination reaction. Decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction are opposite to combination reaction. In a decomposition reaction, a single substance decomposed to give two or more substances. When a product break up into its constituent reactant, the reaction is called as decomposition reaction. For an example, when ferrous sulfate is heated, it decomposes into ferric oxide and sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. In this reaction, a single reactant, ferrous sulfate, break down to give simpler products. This is a decomposition reaction. Ferrous sulfate lose water when heated and color of crystals changes. It then decomposes to ferric oxide, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Ferric oxide is solid while sulfur dioxide and trioxides are gases. Similarly, decomposition of calcium carbonate to calcium oxide and carbon dioxide on heating is also an important decomposition reaction. Electrolytic decomposition reaction or electrolysis. If we pass electric current through water, the water molecule is split into hydrogen and oxygen. This process of breaking down of a molecule into simple product by the use of electric current is called as electrolytic decomposition reaction. In case of water, it is also known as hydrolysis, that is breakdown of water molecule. Photolysis or thermal decomposition. Halogen compounds like silver chloride or silver bromide, when exposed to sunlight, they decompose into silver and chlorine. This reaction is catalyzed by sunlight. Hence, it is an example of thermal or photolytic decomposition. Photolytic reactions are used in black and white photography. Decomposition reaction required energy either in the form of heat, light, electricity for breaking down the reactants. Sometimes energy in the form of heat, light is produced. Endothermic reaction. Reaction in which energy is absorbed are called as endothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction. Reaction in which heat is given out with the product are called as exothermic reaction. During digestion, food is broken down into simple substance and heat is produced. This is an example of exothermic reaction. Burning of natural gas, decomposition of vegetable material into compost are also examples of exothermic reactions. Thank you.